this is Akhil.
Hi, this is Sneha.
The innovations which can be implemented by using SAP technology are ASM and FTS. ASM is automated shopping machine. This is just an example like ATM. Like the main difficulty faced by the generation is of time. So like recently I went for Big Bazaar. So for billing of the material, it took me 2 hours. So like for preventing this scenario, we can go for ASM. We can plant ASM at nearby places. So while we can go to ASM machines, we can give a card ASM. We can put our ASM card. We'll get an option of like where we have to purchase the product, like Big Bazaar, Star Bazaar, and all. We can click Big Bazaar if we want to purchase a product from Big Bazaar. They will show the products which will be sold by Big Bazaar. If we want to buy a toothpaste, so we can click on toothpaste. We'll get the various different companies which like we are getting, like Colgate, Close Up, and all. We can click on the Colgate and we will get the manufacturing date, expiry date, and the cost of the product. We can click on the toothpaste product and we can purchase the product by this. And like if the Big Bazaar is nearby, we have the swiping card facility also. Like we can swipe the card in front of the product. Like the machine is kept, we can swipe the card in front of that. Like if we want to buy various products, we can go and swipe the card in front of the machine of the product. And at exit door, we can get the product from their side by showing the credit card. And like this, all things will just save our time and rest the FTS technology.
Hello, the FTS is the fertilizer tracking system. The main beneficiary of this system will not be the general users, it will be the farmers. The FTS works like, the FTS is a fertilizer tracking system. It will be installed in every fertilizer manufacturing companies. It will be connected with the company's database. All the company's wholesaler and retailers data will be already existing in the system. So whenever a transaction between the company and the wholesaler, from the company to wholesaler and wholesaler to retailer is made, the transaction is inputted into the system and which will be saved in the database. So this information can also be seen by the Department of Fertilizers, which can view the how much quantity of the fertilizer is transmitted from the companies to the wholesaler and from the wholesaler to the retailers, or directly from the company to the retailers. The second advantage that we see to the system is that there can also be a requirement and a supply plan be generated from the system. The requirement the requirement will be inputted into the system by some officials. The state-wise requirement of the fertilizer will be gathered and inputted into the system, where the system presents an interface where they will ask about the fertilizer name, the product it belongs to, and the quantity of the product. While clicking on the go button, this information gets saved into the system and a requirement is generated of one state. Likewise, of all the states, a requirement is generated, and therefore looking into the requirement, the supply plan is generated by the government officials. The supply plan is seen at the officer level, and therefore they inform the companies how much of the material is to be supplied to the wholesaler and then to the retailer. So there is a timely distribution of fertilizers to the farmers, which helps them living their life in a easy manner, and thus helps the major portion of the country to live a good life.
So if ASM and FTS is implemented, it will benefit a lot of people. Thank you.